guys, today's October 19th, and here's a rundown of what we did today. So you'll need your pencil, pen, and make sure you have your review. You got it, I sent it out on Wednesday of last week, so make sure you get that out. Actually, maybe on Wednesday or Thursday of last week, but I gave it to you last week. Make sure you have that. On our agenda, we're going to go through what the week entails. Then we are going over our Builder 8. We have some new things that we're going to talk about in Builder 8. And then we have our OOOO, which is our order of operations. And question that we're going to do, I want you to make sure you're practicing. We're going to have any review questions, and then we're going into our GIM kit. And went ahead and put your link for your GIM kit and your Kahoot on the stream, and I will show you that. Give me one moment. Okay, so your week in review. Let me go ahead and put the 9 weeks calendar underneath the document camera. Okay, so we're looking at this week here. Today's our Module 10 review. We're doing our Kahoot and our GIM kit. Tomorrow's our Module 10 test, which is our Unit 4 test. It will be in Eduphoria. All right, Wednesday and Thursday, we're doing ratios. On Wednesday, we're going to do a snack activity. So please make sure that you have like a snack or candy, Skittles, Chex Mix, M&M's, something that's different colors or different shapes snack. Like if you have cereal, Lucky Charms cereal, Fruity Pebbles, Trix, all those cereals that may be different shapes. If you have animal cookies, that would be one. If you have fruit snacks, that's one. If you have different colored, like the colored goldfish, the multicolored goldfish, get that out, because we're going to do some setting up some ratios with some snacks. Then Thursday, we're going to go over ratios again. Then Friday, we're going into rates. So that gives you a synopsis of the week. So make sure we have a test tomorrow that you're studying. Okay, on your Builder, we have some new vocabulary words on our Builder we need to talk about. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab my highlighter and my pen. So we have factor, ratio, common factor, prime factorization, greatest common factor, and least common multiple. All of these can be found if you're in my classroom. You have the yellow sheet with the vocabulary words. If you're in person, I've given you those. If you are online, in the math information folder, the red folder, they're the ones with a yellow out border around them, and you can find them. So the largest number, the keyword here is largest, number that divides into 2 or more numbers evenly, that is your GCF, greatest common factor. A number that is multiplied by another number to get a product, that is factor. That is factor. A comparison, let me just kind of go, erase them real quick. A comparison of 2 numbers or variables that can be written in fraction form. This is what we call a ratio. And this is what we're going to be talking about on Wednesday and Thursday. The smallest, the keyword here is smallest non-zero number that's a multiple of 2 or more numbers. This is called your least common multiple. Least common multiple, or LCM for short. So LCM, ratio, 2 more. A factor of 2 or more numbers is a common factor. And the last one, finding the factors of a number that are all prime, the keyword there is prime factorization. Okay. So there are your new vocabulary terms. We've already did it, so hopefully this is one thing when I check your Builder that you do not have blank, because I did this in class. Okay. Now on the back here, oops. Here we go. Our question of the day, that if you were in class, you wrote on the back of Mondays, was an order of operation. That was an OOO, order of operation question. So it was 6 squared minus, open parentheses, 3 times 4, close parentheses, divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, remember our order of operations. We have PEMDAS, GEMDAS, PEMDAS, same thing. So we first start off with parentheses. Well, I have 2 sets of parentheses, so I can do them at the same time. So 3 times 4, I'm going to do the one on the left first. 3 times 4 gives me 12, and 3 minus 1 gives me 2. Then I'm bringing everything I have not done down. So I'm bringing the 6 squared minus 12 divided by 2. Okay, so I've done parentheses. Now I need exponents. Oh, I have an exponent right here. So 6 squareds is like saying 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 minus 12 divided by 2. Okay, so I did parentheses. Is there any multiplying or dividing? Yes, there is right here. There's a division symbol. So 12 divided by 2 gives me 6. So I'm going to bring everything else down. 36 minus 6. And then add or subtract. Well, there's 1 left. What should I subtract? And 36 minus 6 gives me a total of 30. So my answer there is 30. So you want to make sure, guys, it's very important when you are solving order of operations problems to write them down. Keep writing it down until you get to that one answer. Don't sit there and write above here, write above here, or below there, over the side. Write them down piece after piece after piece after piece. Make it neat. Okay, it pays off in the long run. It pays off in the long run. Okay, so that is our order of operation. I'm going to stop sharing this real quick. Okay, so that gives you our which is our order of operation question. Okay, let's see, we've done that. If you have any review questions about the review, come to your Google Classroom. I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. I'm just going to click on my first one that pops up. Here's my last block. And if you look under classwork, guys, for this week, look, bam, there's my Google Slides right there. So make sure that you're getting it here, okay, to check your review here. Take your time, check your review, okay? So that goes over our review. When you go to your Google Classroom also, so I'm going to go to my stream. I posted it on the stream, and that says, check it out, Kahoot link and GimKit link. Not sure the GimKit will pull up correctly, but trying it out. So I just sent it out. I don't know if it will or not. Just let me know. Don't forget the test is tomorrow. Go over the Google Slides. So you'll click on to play Kahoot, and you'll do on a challenge on that. So that goes for it for today. Not a long lesson. We just were doing practicing and studying, and make sure this is a first test of the 9 weeks. If you were not happy with your grades from the first 9 weeks, this is a clean slate that we can work on and bring our grades up. So take your time, study, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.